happening.
What?
Straight over there to lay the tall grass before I rip it all out. So I think I'm gonna leave that half like that for a little while.
There's potatoes and things growing in there too. So.
APOC likes to lay in it. It's nice and cool.
You're attacking me, buddy. Ouch.
Yeah, he's in a mood. Look up there. He was up there biting on the branches and stuff, so I started throwing the weeds up there, and he started chasing after them and batting them and trying to grab them off of everywhere. It was so much fun. That's what's left. I already recorded it.
Oh.
He sat here for a while munching it down. It's just the back legs.
APOC likes rabbit. Except for the feet. Likes to leave us feet for good luck. Where's APOC at?
Where's your animal?
APOC, you got some rabbit over here to eat. I don't know why you don't like. Whoa! Look, he's got it. You're so crazy, APOC. You're just gonna cuddle up to your rabbit? You're such a wild little animal. You're gonna do great on the farm.